In this video, I'm going to show you how to get to OneDrive settings in just a few clicks. If you use OneDrive regularly, knowing where the settings are can save you time whenever you want to manage sync, notifications, account options, backup features, or general preferences. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is look at your taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. This is usually in the lower right area of your screen near the system tray. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow that shows hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive cloud icon, click it once to open the OneDrive pop-up window. Now that the OneDrive window is open, look toward the top right corner of that pop-up. You should see a gear icon there. This gear icon is where Microsoft places the main options and controls for OneDrive. Click that gear icon to open the menu. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Settings. Click Settings and OneDrive will open the Settings window for you. This is the main place where you can review and adjust your OneDrive preferences. Once the OneDrive Settings window opens, you'll be able to access the different tabs and options for your account and syncing behavior. From here, you can manage things like backup, network settings, notifications, and other preferences, depending on your version of OneDrive and Windows. If you are trying to change how OneDrive behaves on your computer, this is the exact place you need to be. Just remember the path. Click the OneDrive cloud icon, click the gear icon, then click Settings. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it can make managing your files much easier. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.